Now that's a good question!
Hello, everyone, and we're back with another good question. This week, we have a question from Jaden. Jaden asks, is Pluto part of our solar system? Jaden, that is a good question. When I was a kid, we used to learn that there were 9 planets in our solar system, and we used to use the memory aid. My very educated mother just served us 9 pizzas. And the letters of those words stood for Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. When I was a kid, Pluto was considered a planet. And so when we envisioned the solar system, this is what we pictured. All of the planets, from the sun, Mercury, all the way out to Pluto. But for the last 20 years or so, there has been some controversy over Pluto. First, let me assure you all that Pluto is still there. And in fact, Pluto is part of our solar system. So why the controversy over Pluto? Well, over the last few decades, scientists, astronomers in particular, have made lots more observations of objects in our solar system, including a lot more big objects the size of Pluto. They have found these objects in the asteroid belt and found them beyond the orbit of Pluto. And so, in the name and in the hope of trying to save the brain cells of young people like yourselves and not having to memorize 24 planets in our solar system, astronomers got together and redefined what a planet actually is. So the definition of a planet has changed, causing us to recognize only 8 planets in the solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Pluto is still there, and so are the many other objects that are now considered dwarf planets. So Pluto is known now as a dwarf planet for a number of reasons, which maybe we can get into in another video, but Pluto is still there, still considered part of our solar system. It just is no longer defined as a planet. So Jaden, thanks for asking that question, and don't worry, Pluto's still there. Bye-bye.